I made it.
You made it?
I just made it. Yummy, 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 yummy. And I took the foods. I'm gonna give the homeless people. Let's go. Hello, hello. It's me again. How are you guys? I got some food. I made it.
You made it?
I just made it.
I'm good, sir.
You good?
Yeah, good.
You guys remember? I have more. How are you, ma'am? Good.
I need to go buy my mess.
Let's taste it. How is it? And then tell me. There we go. There we go. With ground beef, onion.
No.
Sorry.
Good, thank you. Pico.
With some, yeah, salad. There we go. There we go, sir. Of course. You want some? How are you guys? I made it. I just made it. It's kind of warm. How are you? How are you? You good?
Awesome. Thank you.
Of course.
May I have one for the baby?
Sure. And then there's a guy. He's coming here. Can you give? You see the guy?
Sure. Yeah, I know.
One for him also.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Here, the spoon and fork. There we
Thank
go.
you.
There we go. Enjoy, please. Enjoy. You too. I have one also extra.
Yes, yes.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Let me bring the spoon.
Yeah. I'm good.
You good?
Yeah, no problem.
All right. Have enjoy. See y'all again. Was mine. How was the taste? Great. Enjoy. See y'all. Sure. Scooter guy helping out.